all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to, like, you don't have to talk to me. Like, you don't have to try to teach me. Like, you ain't have to learn me, learn me. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was hitting, oh, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to.
It's Friday. I am working on some work stuff, but I'm almost done. Have probably about an hour left or so. But then Kyra and I are gonna go to the gym. I found the gym that I want to go to. It's not the most motivating gym. Like, the people around you aren't like crazy fit or things like that, but I think that helps me. Like, when I see super fit people in the gym, or maybe some eye candy where you're like, ooh, I'm trying to look good just if they notice me a little bit, you feel me? But yeah, it's not that type of gym, but the childcare is really good. So Kyra is really enjoying it, and she's gone twice now, and she's already asking. Like, this morning I got her up, was getting her breakfast. She's like, Mommy, I want to go to the gym. I want to go to the gym. So she really likes it, which is good, which is one of the most important parts of it. But last night I just ended up cooking. I filmed a little bit of that. And then today I've just been working pretty much all day. Went on a walk earlier today. Definitely trying to get in the swing of routine for things. It's my last weekend off, so we're going to go do some stuff this weekend. But starting next weekend, I'll be working again. So I'm just like, whew, I'm thankful for a job, but sometimes I'm just like, whew, God, when is my husband coming? Because, bruh, I don't want to be working anymore. Okay, I do want to work. Honestly, I would love to do my YouTube stuff full time and really just dive into that and dedicate my full time to it, which I'm going to be dedicating more time to it because I'm very passionate about it. But yeah, I'm ready to be in my stay-at-home mom era of cooking, cleaning. This is all stuff I already do. I just maybe the husband to pay the bills, you feel me? And then I take care of the rest. But he's hard to find that these days. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to the gym here soon. I just need a change. I'm probably gonna, my shirt is kind of like I was on the Peloton earlier, and then also from my walk I got a little bit sweaty, so might change into a different shirt and then go do the Stairmaster for a while, lift a few weights, and then come home and have some dinner. So
Say my name, no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name.
Kyra fell asleep on the way back from the gym, so she's gonna have dinner on the go. We're gonna go on a walk, right? You got your juice box, got some quinoa, some chicken, and it's like 6 p.m. I think. Yeah, 6 p.m. So we're gonna have a fun evening after we go on a walk.
No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
Whip, body.
Good morning. It is Saturday. Kyra and I went to the gym this morning. I'm gonna be honest, it feels so good to be back in a gym consistently. I think I've worked out 5 times at this gym. I ended up joining the gym that I first went to because it was just convenient for like location wise, and then it was what's it called? Location wise, and then the childcare. Like, the childcare was really good. So that is what we did this morning. And then now we're headed down to downtown Greenville again. I feel like we've been doing this, let's see, 3 weekends in a row? 3, yeah. I think that's the amount of weeks we've been here. Yeah, but 3 weekends in a row, been doing that. It's just nice to walk around, get exercise, get fresh air. I feel like getting fresh air or like sunshine. It's kind of cloudy today, but sunshine just feels really nice and just like brightens your mood and everything. So yeah, I just showered, sprayed some Dior perfume on, and then just put like some gold accessories on, necklace, bracelet, my earrings. So nothing crazy. I wanted something comfortable, so I'm just wearing my Lululemon shorts that I got last week, the black ones. But yeah, we're gonna go downtown and see what's happening down there and just walk around just to get some exercise.
Some
Get some food. Look at you with your little apple, so cute. Is your juice box good? Yeah. Ooh, this might be good. French crispy.
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Take a home when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are the grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one lying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? I ain't trying to leave and I'm the main one crying. Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me?
Done with this one? You want your other one? Okay. Can you show me what you got?
I got cake pop.
You got cake pop? Show me the dress you picked out. So pretty.
I'll see
That blue is gonna look
It's a
so
Mickey
pretty.
Mouse.
Mickey Mouse? You see Mickey Mouse? Can I see it real quick? Can I show them? This is the back. The front. She's gonna look so pretty in this color. Especially with your tan skin. You're so pretty, Kyra. Kyra and I just left Target. It's actually Sunday. We didn't go to a church this morning. We wanted to sleep in a little bit, but while I'm packing her lunch, I'm gonna packing it for, we're gonna do a little picnic day with her cousin too. So I'm gonna pack her lunch and watch Life Church, because that's the church I went to in person when I was in Colorado Springs. I absolutely love that church. It's just, the sermons I feel like are really good. Like most of them that I've heard are very applicable to today's life. Like, it's not a 3-hour church where your attention span is just not there. It's an hour, and then the sermon part's like 30 minutes. So it's something that's very doable versus like the 3-hour churches and things like that. That's the one hard thing, is like a lot of churches over here, I feel like, to be fair, I've only tried one, but I feel like in the South they're probably a lot longer versus, you know, what I'm used to. So yeah, but we're gonna go to the park, right, Kyra? We're gonna go to the park?
No.
What? No, girl, what you talking about? Oh, gotcha. We're gonna go to the park. I'm gonna pack up little sandwiches for the girls with some fruit, maybe veggie straws, something like that. But I got a little cooler, which is gonna be really cute. This little pink one, so I'll show you. It was in the cart when I did a little clip, but I'll show you when we get back, and then we'll pack their lunches and do a little cute park date. So, do you like your chair, Simi? She's speechless. Kyra, you like the chair? Yeah. Look, you guys match now. Yeah. How fun! Mommy's gonna pack your lunch for the park. Let's write your name on one and write Simi's name on the other, okay? Okay.
For a miracle hour, chilling till the sun sets. Ready for the magic hour. It ain't perfect, but everything's beautiful. Yeah. It ain't perfect, but everything's beautiful. It ain't perfect. Beautiful. It ain't perfect, but everything's beautiful. It ain't perfect, no. It was windy in the city, pretty that night. I swear